Hello everyone. As per your request, here is our next cue card. Describe an art exhibition that you visited, when you saw the exhibition, where the exhibition was held, what was on display. Explain your impression of the exhibition. Let's discuss our answer now. Our first point is when you saw the exhibition, and the second is where the exhibition was held. Well, art reflects human creativity, and visiting art exhibitions enriches people's imagination. Although I have visited numerous museums and art galleries, here I would like to talk about an art exhibition which I visited during my school days. I can clearly recall that time when our school decided to take the students to an art exhibition which was going to be held in Chandigarh. Since I had a keen interest in art and culture, I was eager to go there. We reached there at 10 am on Monday. It was situated in the center of the city, and the entrance of the hall was designed artistically. We all were mesmerized to see the front of the art exhibition. The entry fee was quite nominal so that more visitors could go there. Our next point is what was on display. Even the interior was stunning, and the exhibition epitomized all kinds of paintings ranging from renowned to amateur painters. Although I was fascinated to see all the artworks, a specific painting caught my attention. It was a replica of the rural lifestyle in which a traditional house was made. Also, there were lush green waving crops, and the farmers were toiling in the fields. I really wanted to have my hands on that painting. Unfortunately, it was extremely expensive, so I could not afford it. Sometimes I was lured to take a photograph of that painting so that I could show it to my parents, but the photography was prohibited there. Our last point is explain your impression of the exhibition. The experience to visit that museum was multidimensional. Not only did it provide us knowledge, but it was a source of amusement as well. All the details about the paintings, like the artist, the theme, and origin, were provided. In addition, our teachers explained everything to us. We were told to jot down all the vital points as well as our perspectives regarding the paintings. At the end, I felt like I still had many things to see, but it was the time to come back to home. We all returned enriched from that art exhibition, and I really felt on cloud nine after having first hand information about the paintings and the artists. After returning home, I described everything to my parents. All in all, this art exhibition has an everlasting imprint on my mind. If you find this video informative, please like and subscribe and also share it with your friends.